This takes all the guesswork out. It makes it very easy for my investors to know what they're buying, the condition of the property, and knowing that the craftsmanship and labor that was put into this huge renovation on the rental property you're purchasing from us, a turnkey property, is completed. So what is the process once the home inspector comes out and does his evaluation? It's pretty simple. So they send us a very detailed report. This report is about 35 pages long. There is a summary to it, but it goes into great detail, telling you the age of each of the major appliances, the HVAC, the roof, letting you know any damages, but also letting you know that all the other items are in good working order. Now, in most cases, when you buy a house, now it's your responsibility to make sure these items get repaired. But we want to give you white glove service at TurnkeyInvest. So we take the extra step and we create what we call an RVR, Repair Verification Report. We're going to go through and we're going to take all that guesswork out. We're going to list the item that was needing repair. We're going to show you an after photo and what was done to remedy that situation. So this takes all the guesswork out. It makes it very easy for my investors to know what they're buying, the condition of the property, and knowing that the craftsmanship and labor that was put into this huge renovation on the rental property you're purchasing from us, a turnkey property, is completed. This is great information for you. It's also a great item to have when the tenant moves out 3 years later. Tenant's moving out, they say, well, the scratch was already on the wall when I moved in. We're gonna have proof that it was not. We're gonna have tons of photos, videos. We're gonna have these reports to show the condition of the property when the tenant took occupancy. We expect it to be the same when they move out, or close to the same. If it's not, then we're gonna start deducting from their security deposit because we work for you, the investor. We're gonna take care of our investors as if I own these properties myself. So when you're buying properties with any turnkey provider across the country, look at their systems. Ask, well, how is it gonna work when I get my home inspection? How will I know that these items were repaired? How do I know what type of product I am taking possession of at closing as an investment moving forward for many, many years? Having a great report like this is a key. We'll put a link in the bottom where you can see some samples of repair verification reports that we prepare for each of our investors. Thank you.